5-minute workouts are everywhere right now. TikTok, Instagram Reels, even your mom's Facebook group. But here's the question, are these mini workouts just hype, or can they actually get you fit? Today, we're breaking down the truth behind these viral fitness trends, and I'll even test one for you. Let's go. Hey, it's Breathe Fit Studio, where we make fitness simple, science-backed, and actually doable. If you've ever thought, I don't have time to work out, this video is for you. What are mini workouts? So first, what are we even talking about? Mini workouts are short bursts of exercise, usually 2 to 10 minutes, done multiple times a day. You'll see things like 5-minute booty blasts, 3-minute arm toners, 7-minute abs with no rest. Some people call them movement snacks, others call it microhit. But the big idea is little chunks of movement throughout the day instead of one big gym session. Where did this trend start? This isn't entirely new. In fact, it's backed by research. The famous 7-minute workout went viral years ago, and since then, studies have shown that high-effort mini sessions, like sprint intervals or bodyweight circuits, can improve VO2 max, insulin sensitivity, mental clarity, even muscle tone. A 2023 study in the Journal of Physiology found that 3x 1-minute stair sprints improved cardiovascular health in just 4 weeks. The pros of mini workouts. Let's break it down. Why are people loving mini workouts? No time? No problem. No equipment needed. Less intimidating than a 60-minute session. Boosts energy, focus, and mood. Helps you stay consistent. It's perfect for busy parents, students, or anyone glued to a desk 8 hours a day. You don't need to change into gym mode, you just move for a few minutes and get back to life. But do they actually work for fat loss or muscle gain? Here's where things get real. Mini workouts can help, but only if you're intentional. Consistent movement snacks good for metabolism, energy, recovery. Random TikTok dances without structure not enough for body transformation. If you want to lose weight or build serious muscle, total weekly workload matters. That means progressive overload, resistance training, calorie management. Mini workouts can be the spark, but they can't replace real training unless they're part of a system. So, are mini workouts worth it? Absolutely, if you're using them right. They're perfect for staying active, building the habit, boosting energy. But for big results, think of them as a support act, not the main show. Try stacking 2 to 3 mini workouts a day, focus on form, and stay consistent. If you want a full 7-day mini workout plan, drop a comment below. And hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with someone who says, I don't have time to work out. No more excuses.